our tutorial for today, tie and dye. Tie and dye. Well, not to dye. But really, before you can do your tie and dye, you need a white material fabric, or white material, or white fabric rather. And not all materials works with adherent. You can't use all materials for adherent. We have the likes of article, we have the likes of cashmere, we have the likes of guinea and all sorts. But mostly for me, I use guinea. This one I'm holding is an article material. But be sure that that material you want to use is a pure cotton material. Anything short of cotton might not be that effective. The colors won't come out. That's the bad side of it. So this is what we want to use for our material, for our clothes. This is an article. Everybody knows article. But it's not a lower grade article at least. It should be of a little high quality so that you be sure of the cotton. Then these are the tie and dye materials, the dyes materials we want to use to dye the clothes. First and foremost, we need to drop this cloth inside water so that it can sink. It should absorb water very well. So now the materials that you need for tie and dye. Yeah, I'm not perfect in this. I won't say I'm perfect, but this like this top I'm wearing, we can still call it a tie and dye. For this top, it is called bleaching method. The method you use for your tie and dye is there are lots of methods that you can use. And the method we want to use today is crushing method. We just want to crush. So the material that you need to get, everybody know that if you want to do tie and dye, primarily we need a dye. This is a black dye. Look at it, it's black. And most time, if you want to buy it, they sell in weight. It is plenty. It is plenty. But the weight of this one and the weight of this one, don't be surprised, it might be the same. So black materials are more lighter. They don't have weight like other colors. Then this is a blue color. This is a blue color dye. This is a yellow color dye. All of them are all labeled. Then we have a red color dye. With the colors, without labeling them, mere seeing the color, you might not be able to tell if it is black or white or yellow or blue or anything. That's why I used to label it so that I can know I won't make any mistake. Because if you check these three now, they are more like black. Near looking at them, but this one is this is blue, this is black, this is yellow. It is only red that goes in line with red. It's more like a pink color. Why seeing it like this? But it's red. So you should have your dye. Secondly, you should have your caustic soda. This is our caustic soda. They used to fold together most time. This is our caustic soda. And if you want to do a tie and dye, you should be careful with your hand before you can do a tie and dye, so that the dye you won't put your hand inside the dye. But since this is a one-off thing, so I don't mind using my hand, but it's not good. It's not advisable. Then this is our hydrosulfite. Hydrosulfite is one of the materials we use. And before you use them, be sure that the hydrosulfite is still working. It's the only material that I can say you use to get expired. If you want to know if it has expired, you need to smell it. If it is still smelling bad, then it is working fine. But if it is no more smelling again, then it's not working fine again. Like this one, it's still smelling anyway, but it's not smelling. The smell is not that strong, unlike before. So the better it is now. If you notice this hydrosulfite, I brought it out from this bowl, and this bowl was covered. In order to preserve it, you must keep it in a cool and a very dark place. You should not allow air to penetrate it. So that's why you used to keep it safe. If you don't keep it to this level, the odors might go. And once the odors is no more there, then that means it's no more working. You can't use it anymore. So, and lastly, you will need your spoon. Don't mind this. I shouldn't do this spoon. You should use a teaspoon to measure. But we don't have teaspoon for now. Thank you. So if you want to do, what color should we do now? Okay, let's do black because black is plenty. We want to do a black color dye, and we are doing a scrunchie method. If you take a full spoon of black, and mind you, there's one more thing you need to know. If you want to use there are a lot of black dyes. If you want to use black dye generally, it is advisable you add another chemical with it. They call the chemical flakes. Flakes makes it more darker. But if you're only using this black dye, it might not be that black, but it will be a kind of faded black. Unlike this, I don't use flake on this one. That is why you see the black is not that coming out. That is why the black is not that coming out. But if you use flake on it, the black will be thick. So you understand? If you are seeing this black now, it's not that black. So since you are not using flake, don't expect a thicker black. If you are taking a full spoon of the black dye, the next thing is to take a quarter spoon of caustic soda, Then for this, you will take more than half spoon of this. It is this material, this hydrosulfide, that makes dye to last long on clothes. While washing it, it won't fade away easily. So you should add more of this hydrosulfide. It won't be full, but it will be more than half. Don't forget we took full spoon of black. Then you mix them together, and you add your hot water. So we are yet, I will bring hot water now, we will add it. So this is our hot water. Just look at the way it will foam. If it's not foaming, then look at it. That is our soda, this thing that is doing like that. So you see it very well. This is our black dye now. So the chemicals we add are black dye, hydrosulfide, and our soda. What did they call it again? Our caustic soda. So the next thing now is to go outside, because you spread your clothes, but don't dye it inside out. You want to crush it now. This is the crushing we are talking about. You crush them together. So the outcome of this is just that, this is a white material already. At the end of the day, dye will not get to some parts, dye will get to some parts. This is our black dye. But before it now, there are some spaces inside. The dye will not be plenty there. So on the outer that we can see, the dye might be plenty. And it can also have the active inside. And note, this is thread. All these ones are threading. They might not be dyed, because threading are more of polyester. They are not cotton materials. So to add your dye, you pour it around. the dye might blow, but before it flows away, you must have touched every area you want it to touch. Don't remove it immediately. You allow the dye to sink into the clothes. This one might be like that of soldier's clothes. This is black and yellow.